guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and today we're in the kitchen, which is always super fun. By the title, you know, we're trying to find snacks that are hands-free for crafters. And also some lactose intolerant snacks because I always want a smoothie and I can never find one because they require yogurt, ice cream, milk, you know, those things that if you're lactose intolerant you can't have. So this video is kind of twofold. It's marrying two subjects that if you're a lactose intolerant crafter is perfect for you. If you're not, maybe you're one or the other. So anyway, today, hands-free snacks for crafters. And that is hard. I mean literally hands-free. I have paint, I have glue on my hands. I don't want to touch a glass. I don't want to touch a snack. What do I do? Well, pretty much you have to go wash your hands and, yeah, stop what you're doing, wash your hands and do it. I have found one way to have a hands-free snack, which I'm going to share with you today. And then I'll give you some hand snacks, but you're not actually touching the food, if that makes sense. So I hope that you find this video as fun as I'm like super excited about making it because I think it's going to be really fun. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, we're back and our first really hands-free snack that I can make and my first lactose intolerant snack is going to be a banana smoothie using frozen banana and almond milk. And this is supposed to be really good, and that's the only two ingredients. You can put some ice cubes in it if you want. I thought I would wait and see what the texture looks like. So what I did was I had some bananas and I literally cut them in half and froze them. And this says it takes one banana. So I'm going to put one banana in. And it takes 1 cup of almond milk. So I'm going to open the almond milk and find my 1 cup right there. Pour it in. Okay. I'm going to put the almond milk back in the, well, it's cold enough, it'll be okay. I'm going to pour my almond milk into my blender with my banana. And that's it. And we're going to blend. Put my lid on. It tastes good. So I want more banana flavor though. So I'm going to put the rest of my banana in. And I might add just a little bit more of almond milk because you know we never go by the recipe. And I'm going to put my lid back on. That did it finally. And I got 2 cups because we're going hands-free, so I wanted a cup with a straw. No, probably not. I'm going to use the big cup. I feel like it's going to hold it all, and the little cup probably wouldn't. So what we did is I had 2 fresh frozen bananas and some almond milk. And I just made a smoothie. And it's so, I mean, this is thick. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's very thick. It's like ice cream, and it looks delicious. I'm going to put this on. Okay, that is good. Okay, if you wanted it a little thinner, you could add more almond milk, but the almond milk is good. I definitely think I have found something that will help me enjoy some things like smoothies that I want to enjoy, but I can't because of my lactose intolerance. I think almond milk is a very good substitute. If you've never tried it, I recommend it. If you don't like almond milk, I know there's oat milk and just a bunch of other alternatives that I was always kind of maybe hesitant to try that, you know, sometimes we have to get over the fear of something new and just try it. And it's really, really good. Okay. Another option that if you don't like fruit and almond milk and that kind of thing you can do. And these are fruit and veggie with kale, and they make really good smoothies. You put 3/4 of a cup, your liquid of choice. I use water because I don't really think milk goes with this. but you don't taste the water. You just get a nice, very cold, very refreshing, very thick smoothie, and you don't taste the kale, you don't taste, that. You taste the banana, the pineapple, the mango. They also have other flavors, and this is a great hands-free snack because, again, it can go in a cup with a straw. And if you're crafting, and I'll show you how this is going to work in a minute, but you don't have to worry about it. Now, this is the only true hands-free snacks I could find, unless you want to eat like a dog and stick your face in a bowl. Now, a couple of other snacks that are hands-free, but you actually have to use your hand, but you don't touch the food so they don't get dirty. You could eat snacks in packages like this, open the package, and just pour it into your mouth if you wanted to. Again, you could eat like a candy bar or a healthy, a mixture healthy candy bar. You could eat a power bar. You could eat a real like Snickers or other candy bars. You could eat fruit in a cup like this with a spoon. You could have applesauce like this. So the hands-free, that you're not touching the food, but you're touching like the packaging or a spoon. There's quite a few options for you there. And then of course there's the get your hand dirty, totally stop what you're doing, wash your hands and come back later snacks. Your chips, your fruit, your nuts, anything that. So there's a lot of, varying levels of choices. My choice would be hands-free so I can keep working. So I'm going to take my delicious lactose-free banana smoothie into my craft room, and let's see how it works being totally hand-free. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so we're in my craft room, and I'm working on a journal for next week, and I've got glue on my hands, I've got paint, and I don't want to get up and stop what I'm doing, but I need a little something. You're hitting that spot where you start to go down. Maybe your sugar is getting low, maybe you haven't eaten in a while, but you really don't want to stop. I mean, we all get to that point. So the only hands-free snack I have come up with is a smoothie or a milkshake or something of that type that is in a cup with a straw. Okay, that's the only totally hands-free, like I said, unless you want to eat like a dog. You're working, you have to put your cup in a strategic place. And this is going to be, what works best for you, but it has to be accessible. So you don't have to move it and touch it and get the stuff on your hands, on your cup. It also has to be in a place where you're not going to, knock it off. Okay, so I think mine is going to be, right there. So when I work, I'm working, and it's like, oh, I'm getting that singing spell. I made this, 20 minutes ago. Let me get a drink. And that works. That works for me. Now, you would have to decide if something like that worked for you. It's a nice way to be able to keep working. If you make it healthy-ish, then you're giving your body something good while you're accomplishing something. So that's all positives. And if you're lactose intolerant, it's even a better positive because it's actually almond milk. And so I'm getting to enjoy something that I normally wouldn't get to enjoy, which is nice. Thank you for being here today. I hope you liked this video. I hope, I shared some information with you, maybe gave you a great recipe you haven't tried. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and also be sure and hit that subscribe button and that little bell. We have a lot coming up. Part 2 of how to film a flip through is coming up tomorrow, where I share with you what I've heard your viewers complain about, what they want to see change. So be sure and check out that video. It drops at 7 a.m. California time tomorrow. Anyway, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.